And welcome back to Kadirecipes. In this video, I'm going to show you another delicious recipe. I love to make this one also. It's like meat pie, but this one is fried, and we call it in French Pastels de Viande. You can have it also like this. It's really delicious, guys, like always. Please stay tuned for this video. Don't go anywhere. Give me my thumbs up now, and then let's get started. For the dough, this will make about 10 medium-sized pies. I will add 250 grams of flour, 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast, 1 tablespoon of sugar, half teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of butter, and 1 egg. You can use water for the liquid if you like, but I will use 100 milliliters of milk, which is very delicious in this recipe. Now for the filling, this will make more than what we need for the dough, but I will keep the remaining in my fridge. So I have here 500 grams of ground meat. For the vegetable, I will add potatoes and carrot with half an onion, 4 garlic cloves, a bit of basil leaf and parsley, 1 tablespoon of flour. For the spices, use what you love. For me, I will add black pepper, ground ginger, curry powder, any herbs you like. You can use thyme or rosemary, the seasoning you like, and some chili powder to taste. You also need oil for deep frying. Now get all the ingredients for the dough, add the eggs and mix well. When everything is well mixed together, add your liquids, water or milk. I prefer to use milk. I found it more delicious. Now in your table, sprinkle some flour and knead the dough until smooth. Transfer in a bowl and let it sit for at least 1 to 1.5 hours. It depends. Let the dough rise until the size double. To make the filling, mix together the garlic, the basil leaf with the parsley, and add the half onion and mix all together. Then heat 2 tablespoons of oil and saute 1 tablespoon of the onion mixture. Now add the ground meat and stir fry until brown. Once the meat is brown, add all your spices and mix well. Add the remaining onion mixture and mix. Then add your pre-cooked vegetables. Cover with 1 cup of water and salt to your taste. So when the liquid is almost absorbed, add 2 tablespoons of water in a tablespoon of flour and mix in. With a rolling pin, roll out your dough and cut into medium size. Use a round bowl to shape or to cut your dough into small circles. Add in half tablespoon of your filling. So guys, the 1500 gram of ground meat I make can make up to 30 pies. So you can keep the remaining if you like. Then close it with a fork. Let this sit for 10 minutes before deep frying. Now heat the oil on medium heat and deep fry until brown and cooked. And here you have your delicious pastel de viande. Enjoy.